Behind every successful startup is a strong marketing strategy. It shapes how, when, and where you connect with potential customers and how you turn them into loyal fans. I'm Johnson from Alidas Code, and I'm here to help you turn your creative ideas into a standout startup. To stand out, your marketing needs to be clear, consistent, and impactful. To help you with that, we've put together a complete toolkit with essential tools for social media marketing, content marketing, email campaigns, and SEO. Let's get started. First, social media management. Buffer. Buffer offers a complete social media toolkit for startups and small businesses, simplifying content creation, scheduling, and engagement. With an AI assistant for quick ideas, multi-platform publishing, and performance tracking, Buffer saves time and increases online growth. Pricing from $0 to $100. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is a powerful social media tool for small and medium businesses, offering AI-driven tools like automated scheduling, caption writing, and design templates. Managing multi-title accounts, tracking brand mentions, and accessing insightful analytics all from one dashboard. With the tools to boost engagement and measure ROI, Hootsuite helps small teams make a big impact while saving time. Pricing from $99. Content marketing. HubSpot. HubSpot provides a complete content marketing platform for small businesses, featuring tools like AI website builder, customizable CRM, and marketing automation. With an easy-to-use interface, HubSpot simplifies content creation, lead generation, and customer engagement, helping businesses optimize outreach and track success without advanced technical skills. Pricing from $20 to $2,500. Wordtune. Wordtune helps express the thoughts clearly by paraphrasing, rewriting, and correcting grammar. Change tones, get suggestions, and improve the writing with ease. Pricing from $0 to $9. Custom pricing for enterprises. Email marketing. Mailchimp. With Mailchimp, you can easily create personalized, behavior-based email campaigns that engage your audience. Use templates, automate email campaigns, and track performance in real time to make data-driven decisions. Whether you're sending welcome emails, transactional messages, or newsletters, Mailchimp simplifies the process so you can focus on growing your business. Pricing from $0 to $350. Brevo. A complete email marketing and CRM suite designed to streamline customer relationship management. With Brevo, you can create multi-channel campaigns across emails, SMS, and chat, while leveraging automation to boost conversion. Brevo integrates all essential tools in one platform. Additionally, the customer data platform helps you analyze customer data to optimize your marketing efforts. Pricing from $0 to $16. 4. SEO tools. Ahrefs. Ahrefs is an SEO toolset used to backlink analysis, keyword research, competitor analysis, rank tracking, and site audits. Known for its vast database of live links, it offers powerful features that help marketers and businesses improve their website's search engine rankings. Ahrefs allows users to discover organic search traffic trends, analyze keyword difficulty, and monitor competitor strategies, making it an essential tool for boosting SEO performance and growing organic search traffic. Pricing from $0 to $400. SEMrush. SEMrush is designed to help businesses optimize SEO, PPC, content, social media, and competitive research efforts. Its SEO features include keyword research, one-page SEO audits, backlink analysis, and competitor tracking, providing valuable insights into how websites are performing in search engines. SEMrush also helps businesses identify keyword gaps, track rankings over time, and optimize paid search campaigns, making it an essential resource for marketers aiming to improve both organic and paid search strategies. Pricing from $0 to $500. A strong marketing strategy turns ideas into successful startups. Stay clear and impactful to turn potential customers into loyal fans. We've got more to share. Subscribe to stay updated.